For over 38 years, Lintech has designed and manufactured standard and custom mechanical components and systems. This 14-minute presentation is geared to providing a general overview of Lintech's products and capabilities. Lintech's product offering can be broken into three areas. Systems consist of a base, carriage, and drive mechanism that are assembled together ready for the customer installation. The standard drive mechanism offered is ball and acme screw, belt, and worm gear. There are 15 series of these systems with millions of optional features to allow for easy alterations to fit a diverse application base. Component products are a lower cost alternative to the system products, but will require the customer to mount and align the individual components together. Ball screw assemblies are the only drive mechanism offered in a component assembly series. In addition to these ball screw assemblies, standard offerings include hardened shafting, round and square rail bearings, and 3 round rail support types: end, single, and twin rail. Twin rail is a registered trademark to Lintech for 38 years. Thus, other vendors that might offer something similar would call them dual or double rail assemblies. We also offer many round rail shaft and bearing options in metric diameters. Specific metric sizes are available for Asian and European standards. Custom products can be broken into two areas: standard customs and complete start from scratch customs. Standard customs take a standard product and modify it with features geared to the customer need. Special motor mounts, chrome plating, hard anodizing, and different carriage sizes are some examples. We can provide custom motor mounts for nearly any servo motor or gearhead manufacturer. Common manufacturer mounts that we have provided in the past include Allen Bradley, Kollmorgen, Parker, Yaskawa, Mitsubishi, and Emerson, to name a few. The complete start from scratch category is a design specifically geared to solve the customer requirements and may not have any standard parts incorporated into the design at all. This could include the entire frame made from aluminum or steel, special load interface brackets or plates, long travel lengths, high speeds, and heavy loads. In 2007, Lintech greatly expanded its component product offering to include custom machined hardened shafting in 1/4 inch to 2 inch diameters and 8 millimeters to 50 millimeters metric diameters. Common processing is cut to length, tight length tolerance, coaxial and radial holes, flats, keyways, notches, dowel or butt joints, reduced diameters, and threaded ends. These shafts can then be used in conjunction with several support types. There are steel or aluminum end supports, or up to 24-inch long aluminum supports, and up to 48-inch long low-profile steel full-length supports. Full-length supports can be provided with pre-drilled mounting holes for corresponding pre-drilled shaft and base. These supports can be cut to length and combined with shafting to create long support lengths. Open and closed recirculating bushings that are drop-in alternatives to Super Type and all steel precision available from many vendors. These bearings are self-aligning and available in English and metric diameters. English diameters from 1/4 to 2 inch and metric from 16 to 50 millimeters. These bearings are also offered mounted inside a pillow block. Pillow blocks are available in single or double for ease of mounting. These pillow blocks can have a manual locking clamp to hold the bearing or customer carriage assembly in place for manual positioning requirements. Metric sizes are available with these pillow blocks for both Asian JSI and European ISO standards. In 2009, Lintech has begun offering profile or square rail linear bearings and rails. There are several styles, but all offer a 45-degree contact with the ball for high loading in all directions. The bearings also have oversized balls to offer higher loads than many of its drop-in competitors. Currently, we are only promoting these sizes which we have inventory at our facility. These sizes include a miniature size 12, a standard style 15, and a heavy style 25. The size 12 is all stainless with a self-lube reservoir. The 15 and 25 sizes are also available with a self-lube style, but this is an optional adder. Rail lengths range from 1 to 4 meters, and custom cut shorter lengths or longer lengths are easily accommodated with butt joints. Assembly products which Lintech has offered in most cases since 1970 include a fully supported shaft, SA product, or single shaft assembly. This is available in half-inch to 2-inch diameters with lengths from 6 to 192 inches. The shaft is pre-drilled and mounted to a pre-drilled support over the full length. The shaft is available in 1060 steel, 440C, and the 1060 steel can be chrome plated. Twin rail shaft assemblies include two shafts that are mounted to a common base which maintains the shaft parallelism over its full length. This greatly reduces the setup time for a customer to take two single assemblies and mount and align these to his base plate. The TRSA is available in the same shaft options and diameter and length combinations as the SA. Twin rail carriage assemblies have 4 single pillow blocks or 2 double pillow blocks aligned, mounted, and then doweled to an aluminum plate. The plate can also be pre-drilled with stainless steel inserts and is available to mate with the TRSA series. It is available in lengths of 6 to 32 inches long. The pillow blocks have a -L option which provides for a manual locking clamp on the pillow block as well. Another unique product offering is the ball screw assembly. These assemblies integrate the screw, ball nut, nut flange housings, and then mount them together into a finished product for ease of installation. Screw diameters range from 1/2 inch to 1.5 inches, and many lead combinations are available. Screw thread grades are rolled, precision, and ground. The standard support housings are all steel with a simple, fixed low thrust, fixed high thrust, and a rigid style. Ball screw assemblies are cut specifically to the customer requested length. These assemblies will be more expensive versus the raw components, but it does include the cut to length screw, end annealing, and machining, and the assembly of the parts together. Common custom options include servo motor and gearhead interface for nearly every vendor. The 130 series has a single square rail and 1 or 2 bearings. Dynamic load capacities up to 200 pounds, and the bearings and rails are stainless steel, and the bearings have self-lube reservoir. There are many lead combinations for Acme or ball screw drive mechanisms. Top or side aluminum covers are also a common option. The 100 series is the same as the 130 except it is equipped with 2 rails and up to 4 bearings. Same ball and Acme screw options as well as top and side covers. This series offers dynamic load capacities up to 3,100 pounds. The 110 series is the same as the 100 series except it comes with way covers over the screw and linear bearings. All options are the same as the 100 series. Lintech's most popular series is the 170 series. This utilizes 2 rails and up to 6 bearings for a carriage. It is available with top or side aluminum cover plates and way covers as well. Many Acme and ball screw options are available to customize for speed or repeatability requirements. Dynamic loads with a 12-inch long 6-bearing carriage are up to 8,400 pounds. The 90 series is the only system which utilizes round rail bearings and shafting. It has the most diverse volume of ball and Acme screws available with even a 1-inch diameter to allow for speeds up to 50 inches per second. It can also be equipped with solid bearings and stainless steel shafting for corrosive environments. This series has a dynamic capacity to 3,300 pounds. For higher accuracy application, Lintech can provide the 150, 200, or 250 series. They offer straightness and flatness of less than 5/10,000ths per foot. These three series offer excellent load capacity in a very compact package. Four belt-driven units are currently available for higher speed applications. The 140 series is the exact same guide structure as the 130, except it utilizes a belt as the drive mechanism. The 120 series is the exact same guide structure as the 100, but it also utilizes a belt in place of the screw. The advantage of utilizing square rails as the guides for the belt is straighter and flatter travel and higher load capacities. This includes overhanging loads, which create moment loading. The 180 series is a belt-driven version of the popular 170. It offers excellent load capacities and can be combined with the 170 to create multi-axis systems with belt and lead screw combinations for the drive mechanism. This is especially valuable for Z-axis applications so that an Acme screw or brake can be used to prevent backdriving in a fail-safe condition. The longest travel and highest load capacity belt-driven system is the 550 series. It uses a 80 by 80 extrusion with a single rail and two bearings. This design allows for an enclosed unit which creates an IP50 rating with excellent load capacities in a small package. The extrusion provides a higher I value for multi-axis gantry systems. Worm gear driven rotary systems are available in two series. The 300 series is best suited for light duty applications where the load is centered on the unit. The 400 series is a unique offering in the marketplace which is highlighted by large load capacity and large through hole. This series can interface to any vendor motor as you are not forced into a specific drive programming language typical to direct drive servos. Many custom systems are available to meet the diverse customer application demands. Lintech can adapt a standard series with special plating, greases, materials, or motor mounts. Sometimes a standard is not the right choice nor even possible with modifications. In these cases, Lintech will ask for a listing of the detailed requirements, review, size, select, and then design a system to exceed the requested parameters. The itemization of special products designed and built over the last 38 years are diverse and lengthy to note. However, common types include dual carriages with left-hand, right-hand thread ball screws, multi-axis systems with a steel or aluminum frame integrated, large load capacities, long travel lengths, special carriage sizes to fit the customer part dimensions, just to name a few. Determination if a custom system is required is derived after looking at the requirements and then carefully reviewing the sketches and budgetary target figures. Lintech integrates all products within our standard categories, which include systems, components, and ball screw assemblies. Millions of standard options are available for each series, and customization is an option when these do not fit the needs sufficiently. To assist with your sales efforts, Lintech has combined all of the three individual product catalogs into one document. Summarized technical details are highlighted for each and every product within the Mechanical Motion Solutions catalog.